In news from Pakistan, the Pakistan Democratic Movement postponed the scheduled long march against the government over serious differences on the issue of lawmakers' resignation within the 10-party opposition alliance. Its president Maulana Fazlur Rahman has now urged Pakistan People's Party to respect the decision on the resignation issue of the 9 other parties of the alliance.
PDM, Pakistan Democratic Movement, the 10-party opposition alliance, appeared to be in tatters this week because of serious differences on the issue of lawmakers' resignations, which forced it to postpone the scheduled long march against the government. While urging the Pakistan People's Party (PPP) to respect the majority view on the issue of resignation from assemblies, PDM President Maulana Fazlur Rahman on Wednesday urged PPP to respect the decision on the resignation issue of the 9 other parties of the alliance. Rahman was apparently responding to PPP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who had said that he does not favor en masse resignations of the opposition's legislators at this stage. Both the Rahman and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz are of the view that resignations have become indispensable for launching a decisive political movement to oust Prime Minister Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government in the centre.
पीपल्स पार्टी को मोहलत दी गई चंद दिन की कि आप अपने सीएसी के पास जाएं, उनके सामने 9 जमातों का मौक़िफ़ रखें, क्योंकि जमहूरियत है ना। पीपल्स पार्टी तो सबसे ज़्यादा जमहूरियत की बात करती है, तो पीडीएम में 9 जमात एक तरफ है ना, तो आप अपने सीएसी के सामने ये बात रखें।
Meanwhile, PPP on Wednesday rejected the perception that the party had reached some kind of understanding with the establishment and claimed that other parties in the alliance failed to provide a clear roadmap and the post-resignation strategy.